Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's episode. We are here at the REAL Da Lat, which is the Central Market right here in Da Lat. And we're going to take a walk around, show you all the goods, see if you like it. First things first, I'm going to take you over here into the meat department because that's the nitty-gritty. Oh, I smell the fish. Oh yeah. All right, folks, I'm just gonna turn this thing around so you can see everything. Oh, there's some fresh meat right there. This is where all the vendors go, pick up their meats and veg for the restaurants for the day. Sometimes you'll see like a full bull's head in here. Oh man. Oh, looks like some fish back there. Picking up some ribs. Oh, there's some pig's ears. Hey, we're getting into our poultry, our chickens. Wow, she's got a lot of chickens. Look at there. Chicken feet, chicken wings, chicken livers. Oh, look at there's some livers right there. Oh, there's some chicken heads. Yeah. Fishes, shrimps, octopuses. Oh, look at that big old fish. I'm gonna turn around. I'm in sandals. I don't want to get my feet all nasty back here. Oh, that's some good tuna right there. Look at that. That is some good tuna. Yes, please. On the second floor is a bunch of shopping. Oh, look at here. Eggs. All the eggs you need. Quail eggs, duck eggs, chicken eggs. Eggs, eggs, eggs. Ah, here's some chickens right here. I guess you can get it fresh. Maybe you can buy the chicken. I don't know. Ah, coconut juice. Candies, bananas. Along with all the produce down here, there's also a ton of flowers, vegetables, and I'll take you on a walk over here through all this now. Here we go. Fresh produce. You can get some Crocs. Oh, broccoli, garlic, mint, dragon fruit, shrimps. Hell, you can even get jewelry right here. That's pretty cool. We're getting into all the spices now. Pineapples, limes. We'll take a quick detour through the spice section. Oh yeah, I love these markets. Oh, you got some chilies right there. Look at there. Some hot chili peppers. Green onions. Oh, you got prepared empanadas. Noodles. Cheeses, tofus. It smells pretty good back here. Eggplants, red and green peppers, carrots. Look at the size of those carrots. Those are healthy carrots right there. Cucumbers. It's just a delightful walk through the market here. And then we'll head over here to the fruits. And then we'll wrap it up today. If you've ever been to Da Lat, go ahead and drop a comment. If you've never been here before, I'd highly recommend it. It's one of the best places in Vietnam. It's nestled high in the hills. The temperature's cooler. Oh yeah. Look at all these produce. Strawberries. Oh, there's some beans. Yeah, this is the real spices area. Candies, plums, figs, mangoes. Wow. Just a ton of great, delicious products. Candy. Pick up some artichoke extract. Oh, wow. All right, guys. We're gonna do one more round up here into the clothing store on the second floor. I'll show you guys the market, the clothing market. It's pretty cool. Look at all these potatoes. They must have a really big farm. Here's the entrance. I don't know how to pronounce this. Let me try. Chamoy Da Lat. Chamoy Da Lat Center. Let me take you to the second floor. Let me check on my motorbike real quick, actually. Make sure it's okay. Yeah, it looks good to me. Let me just double check. Ask a local real quick if it's okay to park my motorbike there. I don't want to get in trouble. It's okay? Okay here? Okay? Don't park here? Okay, let me switch it up, guys. So I had to pay 5,000 dong to park my bike right here. Look for this sign, Buy Guy Z or something. I don't know, but we're parked. Guy gave me a coupon or a receipt. And now I'm gonna get you guys into the second and third floor here of the shopping mall. Right. Unless you wanna walk through the meat section again. Let's just go real quick up here and check out the shopping, because I got some deals. Oh man, here we go, turning you guys around. You can get some long sleeves, some jacket. Hi. Oh, look at all these cool jackets. Oh, it's almost a Burberry. It's cool. Seems like the ladies department. I'm gonna go to the other side. It seems like the girls and babies department. Hello, do you know where the man shopping?
Yeah, man.
For the man? Oh. No. Oh, no. That is pretty cool. Oh, look at that jacket, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this jacket. 10th Space Shuttle Mission, NASA. Look at those beauty. How much are these? That's beautiful.
Ôi, men bao nhiêu vậy?
How much is it? $1.35 mil. Okay. We're looking at about $55 for that jacket. 55 US, which is a pretty good deal. Maybe a little high. Probably negotiate that down a little bit, but that's a good looking jacket. Okay. Walking, walking, walking. It's a nice breeze out here today. Hello. Thank you. Oh. You got boots.
Kéo gió hàng đầu hàng đẹp, một kéo gió 35.000 đã xài đây 35.000, 100.000 ba kéo gió, ba kéo gió 100.000, ba kéo gió 100.000, ba kéo gió 100.
Fabrics.
Đây đẹp ơi, chơi đẹp ơi, xài đây 35.000.
Let's go this way. Jackets. Everything's pretty cold weather because Da Lat is known for being cold. We're nestled in the mountains, like I said. Pine trees. Gets down to 50 at night right now in March, April. About 80 in the day. So it's a beautiful little town. Like I said, I highly recommend coming up here if you're in Vietnam. Go shopping. There is a third floor, but it's like oils, like olive oil, organic. We'll take you up there real quick. Come on, guys, let's go. It's bags, seeds, teas, things like that. Here we go. Wow. We're gonna say this is more of a amenities or accessories kind of area. Delicious, delicious. There's shoes, bags, backpacks, suitcase. Oh, belts. Goosey belt. I actually need a new belt. It's pretty quiet back here. What's that? Dancing? What do you? How much is it?
10,000.
And what do you do? Oh, you have to grab them?
Yes.
Will you film me? If I give you 10,000, will you film me doing this? Here. And so I just have to grab it when it drops? Okay. Here, just hold this.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get serious. I wasn't ready for this. It's filming everything, so don't worry. Yeah, if you just back up a little bit, you can get me. Okay, so do I face this way or this way?
Yes, yes,
Me.
yes.
This way? And then I go boom and grab it? Okay?
Level 1 challenge.
Oh my gosh.
Boss.
Level 2 challenge. Level 3 challenge. Solo challenge.
Oh gosh. Oh! Oh!
Wow.
Whoa! Can we try again?
Yes.
I gotta get more money for you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to get some more money for you. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm in the middle of the mall in Da Lat, Vietnam, and I just walked into a crazy challenge. Here we go.
Aim for success.
Okay. Level 1.
Welcome to challenge.
Level 3 was a little hard for me, guys. You can win 500,000 dong if you catch them all. Maybe next week, folks. Maybe next week. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you next time. Well, back to the shopping mall. That was a fun little stop. Glasses. You can get whatever you want here. Oh, I just bought toothpaste this morning. And that about wraps it up for today's walking adventure, guys. Come on down. Enjoy the mall. Enjoy the market. Support the community. If you're new here, like and subscribe. If you've been around a while, drop a comment. Until next time, arigato gozaimasu.